So hi guys, ayun. Let's have the next topic natin for today. So now naman, after solving rational equation, dito naman tayo sa inequality. So as you can see, meron tayo dito example of a rational inequality. So paano natin i-solve yung ganitong problem? Also, finding the value of x pa rin yung gagawin natin dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong term sa left side and the other side meron tayong term. First step natin dito kasi guys, kung ano yung nasa right side na term, dapat i-transpose lang natin siya sa kabila. Kasi yung goal natin maging something zero on the right side. Nakuha. Para maging something zero on the right side, kung ano to, transpose natin sa kabila. Nakuha. Yung step 1. Sige. So magiging 3 over x minus 2 to, copy lang muna. So ito, negative 1, positive 1 yan. Transpose. Kuha. Less than or equal to 0. Yan yung pinakaunang step. Dapat yung right side gawin natin 0. Then, next step naman natin dito guys is i-simplify natin yung left side. Simplify lamang yung left side. So, paano siya masisimplify? You add this one. So, paano siya ma-add? So, get the LCD pa din. LCD natin is x minus 2. So, x minus 2 divide x minus 2. So, cancel. What's left? 3. So, x minus 2 divide ito. Meron tayong 1 dyan. So, x minus 2 divide 1. X minus 2 times 1. Then you have x minus 2. Kinapi ko lang yung addition sign sa gitna. Less than equal to 0. So, simplify further. So, meron tayo x 3 minus 2, that is positive 1 over x minus 2. Less than equal to 0. So, ganun lamang siya guys. Now, tapos na ba tayo dyan? Hindi pa. Again, ulitin ko first step. Kung ano yung nasa right side, transpose natin sa left side lahat. Kasi yung goal, dapat 0 yung nasa right side. The second step is, i-simplify mo lang yung nasa left side, which is ito na. Now, the third step naman na gagawin natin, i-solve natin, solve x in numerator. Tapos, another step, you solve x in denominator. Sige. Meron tayo dito sa numerator x plus 1 is equals to 0 siya. I-solve natin yung value ng x niya. So, x therefore is equals to negative 1 kasi ito transpose lang to. Nakuha. So, x is negative 1. Now, another, yung denominator natin, x minus 2 equals to 0. Solve natin yung x. X natin dito is positive 2. So, ito na ngayon yung magiging critical values natin. So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? So, mamaya, malalaman natin kung ano yung gagawin natin dyan. So, before that one, the next step that we're going to do is mag-create tayo dito ng number line. Nakuha. Which is dapat yung nandoon sa number line is itong critical numbers natin. So, let's say for example, ilagay natin dito si negative 1. Si positive 2 naman, ilagay ko siya dito. Now, so kailan magiging 0 yung expression na to? Kasi I want this expression maging 0. Kasi si 0 less than equal to 0 is correct. Nakuha. Gusto ko lamang yung goal ko maging 0 to. Now, kung yung x ko dito is negative 1, ano yung mangyayari dito? As you can see, substitute ko yung negative 1 dito. So, negative 1 plus 1, 0. Kapag 0 si numerator, whatever the denominator, so I don't know kung anong value dito, substitute natin, negative 1 minus 2, negative 3. So, magiging 0 over negative 3 siya. So, nakuha less than equal to 0. Kung yung x ko is equals to negative 1, so anong mangyayari sa expression na to? Ito magiging 0 over negative 3 or simply 0, which is less than equal to 0. By the way guys, kung makikita nyo, kapag yung numerator natin 0, kahit ano yung nasa denominator natin, wag lang maging 0. Automatically, yung expression na yan magiging 0. Kuha. Pero kapag yung denominator naman natin yung 0, whatever the numerator, automatically magiging undefined siya, which is hindi natin gusto yung maging ganun. So ito, si 0 ba less than or equal to 0? Yes or no? Yes. So meaning, si negative 1, that is part of your solution sa rational inequality na to. So, ang gagawin natin dito is lagyan natin siya dyan ng unshaded circle. So ito, magiging unshaded yan. So what if yung x ko is equals to 2? So ano mangyayari sa denominator ko? Mapapansin natin mamaya. Substitute natin to dito. So 2 plus 1, that is 3, over 2 minus 2, that is 0, less than equal to 0. What is this? Undefined, which is hindi natin gusto maging undefined yung number natin. So meaning, therefore, si x equals to 2, is it part of your solution or not? So hindi na siya pwede maging part ng solution natin. So instead of unshaded circle, kapag solution nga pala, dapat shaded circle. Kapag hindi solution, dapat open. So since si negative 1, part siya ng solution, dapat shaded yung circle natin dyan. So, included. Si positive 2, hindi siya pwede maging part ng solution natin, so open circle. So ganun yung ginawa natin. Now naman guys, after natin ma-plot yung critical numbers natin dito, which is negative 1 tapos positive 2 dito sa number line, yung gagawin naman natin is kunin natin yung mga intervals. So let's say for example, meron tayo dito negative 1 included siya. So this one to the left, that is x less than equal siya kay negative 1. Ito, yung part na to the left, interval niya. Tapos interval naman from 2 to the right, that is x greater than kay 2. Kuha. So in between naman, that is x greater than equal siya kay negative 1 pero less than siya kay positive 2. So yan yung tatlong intervals na meron tayo. So after that one, ilagay natin siya dito sa table of sign. Maggawa tayo ng table of sign wherein you write here the intervals, tapos gawa tayo dito ng test point. Tapos, isulat natin yung numerator which is x plus 1, denominator na x minus 2, tapos yung expression na x plus 1 over x minus 2. Kuha. Tapos dito yung intervals. X less than equal to negative 1, x greater than equal to negative 1 but less than 2, tapos lastly, x greater than positive 2. Now, test point natin. Ano yung mga numbers na less than kay negative 1? Pwede tayo magkaroon ng negative 2. Nakuha, less than siya, to the left. In between naman, dito, kay negative 1 tapos 2, pwede tayo 0. Yan yung test point natin. So, anyway, pwede ka din naman kumuha dito ng 1. Pero para mas madali, let's have the 0. Greater than kay positive 2 naman, let's have it 3. Okay, this one, substitute natin sa mga values ng x natin dito. So, if my x is negative 2, what would happen to x plus 1? So, magiging negative 2 lamang siya plus 1, which is negative 1. So, the sign of this one must be negative. Nakuha. How about yung 0 siya? 0 plus 1, that is positive 1. So, positive yung sign. So, 3 naman, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So, positive yung sign. So, dito, x minus 2, yes. So, yung x natin is negative 2, negative 2 and negative 2, negative 4. So, negative yung sign. 0. So, 0 minus 2 is still negative 2. So, negative yung sign. 3. So, 3 minus 2 is positive 1. So, yun yung sign natin dito must be positive. Kuha. Now, to get the sign of this expression, i-divide lang natin tong dalawang to. X plus 1 divide x minus 1. So, negative, that would be positive. Positive, negative is negative. Tapos, positive and positive, that is positive. Now, question, what would be the sign of this one to make this one greater than or equal to 0? Ano ba dapat yung magiging sign ng expression na to? Na dapat maging less than or equal to 0 siya. Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng less than or equal to 0? Kung yung sign ba positive or negative? Negative. Very good. Now, I want na yung values nito maging negative para ang negative numbers always less than equal kay 0. So meaning to say, therefore, yung magiging solutions natin is values ng x in between negative 1 to positive 2. So you can write your answer in this form. So set of x's such that x is an element of a real number. Yung x natin, you copy this one. X is greater than equal to negative 1 but less than 2, positive 2. Nakuha. Another way of writing that one, by the way, this one is in roster method. Another way of writing that one is using interval method. Pwede din naman, what is the interval? So from negative 1, use this bracket. So negative 1 to positive 2. So use parentheses. Why parentheses? Kasi yung positive 2 dyan guys is hindi siya included. Hindi included parentheses. Kapag included, bracket. So dito, hindi included unshaded circle. Included shaded circle. Yun lang yung mga technique guys. So, ganun yung magiging final answer natin. You can use this one. You can use this one. Nakuha. So, I hope you understand our discussion today. So, thank you.